Kumari Ella, Avissawella. Nestled in the scenic landscape of Avissawella, Kumari Ella is a charming and picturesque waterfall that offers a tranquil escape into nature's embrace. Surrounded by lush greenery and rolling hills, this hidden gem provides a perfect retreat for adventure seekers, nature lovers, and those seeking peace and serenity. The cool, cascading waters of Kumari Ella create a soothing atmosphere, making it an ideal spot for picnics, photography, and relaxing walks. Visitors often praise the natural beauty and the refreshing ambiance that this waterfall provides, making it a must-visit destination in the Avissawella area. Whether you're exploring during the dry season when the flow is gentle or during the rainy season when it roars with energy, Kumari Ella promises an unforgettable experience filled with nature's wonders. It's a place to unwind, connect with nature, and create lasting memories.